Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Taboola to optimize content layout for engagement. Beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Taboola website. Create a Taboola account if you haven't already. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. Enter your email address and choose a strong password. Fill in the required information about your website. Select the content type that best represents your site. Once registered, log in to your Taboola account. Navigate to the Dashboard section. Look for the Settings tab on the left-hand menu. Click on Settings to configure your account. Locate the Authorization section within the settings. Click on the Authorize button to initiate the process. You will be prompted to enter your website URL. Input the URL of the website you want to optimize. Complete any additional fields as required by Taboola. Submit the authorization request for approval. Wait for the confirmation from Taboola regarding your authorization. Once approved, return to your Taboola dashboard. Access the Content tab to start optimizing your layout. Review the suggested content recommendations. Select the ones that best fit your website goals. Drag and drop to rearrange content for an engaging layout. Adjust any visual elements to enhance the user experience. Regularly monitor performance statistics on the dashboard. Use insights to refine your content strategy further. Stay updated with Taboola's features and best practices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.